Theorem 3. Constant multiple rules yan. Kapag ang given ay may k, tapos yung limit ng f of x. Ibig sabihin yung k, constant yan. Okay? Ang answer mo noon, yung number mismo, tapos yung limit ng x. Okay? Example, mag-example tayo para maintindihan nyo. Example. Limit 5x. Okay? Tapos yung x mo dito, lagay natin ng 3. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ito, una, pwede siyang 5, tapos limit of x. Yung x mo is 3. Okay? Kaya yung answer mo, una, 5. Ano yung limit x? Yung theorem number 2. Kapag x yan, kung ano man yung limit mo, is 3. Tapos yung 15 yung answer mo. Ito na yung answer mo. Okay? Another example. Limit 8x. Tapos yung x mo is 1/2. Okay? Kaya 8 limit x. Okay, yung answer mo is 8. Ano yung limit x? Times 1/2. So that is 4.